Seluqalile futhi luhlelo lokucisha kwagesi ngenhloso yokumonga njengoba ehluleka iScom kuphehla gesi. Kwenteka nje sekusele livike kuyiwe elukhethfeni kanti ke lokho kucekela phansi umkhankaso weANC. Lesekela mengameli David Mabuza lelikhankasele kuruleni lithite letinkinga iScom kucitene gesi tilimata emathuba eANC kutholeni emavoti.
Well, it is affecting our campaign because people are complaining about electricity and it's a problem that we know. I'm just crossing my fingers that Kusile and Mudipu should come online fully. And that will improve our situation a bit. But of course, we've got all these independent power producers that are coming online, and I'm sure that will also have a positive effect.
Mabuza uthi wematima umkhankaso weANC uthi lenhlangano isemathubeni lamahle kuphumelele nelukhetho ngemalengiso ekuruleni naseTshwane. Kepha ukholelwa ukuthi kutawubanjwana ngetihluthu kumasipala waseJozi.
Generally speaking, Ekuruleni is our best metro, and we think we're going to win.
And what about other three metros?
Tough. It's a bit tough. Well, we are trying to push hard in Tshwane. Maybe we can win Tshwane, but here I'm confident. Joburg is a bit steep. We're going to put our last shot, move a bit faster, and maybe we can turn the situation around.
Mabuza uyohlala emalanga lasihlanu eTshwane lapho atobe akhankasa khona njengoba abekwesigungu lesetulu kuANC ukuthi abekhona ukuthi aqinisekise ukuthi lenhlangano lelusako iyawuthatha lamasipala lomkhulu waseTshwane.